Hello everyone, how are you all? Let's learn K sound story. Cuckoo kangaroo and a kid were flying kite. The baby kitten was also with them. Mew 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 mew. They hang their key on the branch of a tree. Some children were playing near the palace. The king was sitting outside the palace and was having tea. Suddenly, one boy kicked the bowl and it hit the kettle. The boy got scared and said sorry to the king and ran away. King started laughing, ha ha ha. Let's have a quick recap. Kangaroo, key, kitten, kite, kid, kick, king, kettle. Thank you for watching.